Welcome back to Woody Shrooms. This is Woody. Today we're going to be insulating the Substrate Sterilizer. This is the bin I made the sterilizer out of. I purchased some styrofoam from Home Depot. They have a wide selection. I got the cheapest stuff. It's 1 inch thick. That's plenty for what we're going to be using this for. When you measure your bin, this bin happens to be wider at the top than it is the bottom, so I do cut the styrofoam to suit that need. It is cut at an angle to utilize as much of the bin as possible. Here I'm measuring the inside of the lip of the lid, how far it sits down into the bin. You're going to want to take that into consideration. As well, you're going to have to take into consideration the thickness of the styrofoam, as you see here. We're going to make a lid to fit inside the bin to go over top of the other styrofoam. And then the lid goes on top of that styrofoam lid. So it's sealed with styrofoam and then the lid goes on top. This is very important. The next step is to use silicone sealant to silicone all the pieces together. You're going to silicone them with acetic acid silicone. This is the silicone that smells like vinegar. That's the kind you want. You don't want water-based silicone, and you don't need heat temperature resistant silicone. You don't need it. Normal silicone will withstand the temperature of a pressure cooker. Here I'm putting in foam insulation, and then you do the foam insulation all the way around the top, and then you put the lid in. Then you put the bin lid on top. So this is the finished product. The hole there for the hose is, I'm going to show you how to line that up. Basically, all you do is put the lid on, shove a screwdriver through that hole, and then I reamed it out with the proper size drill bit. Again, you don't need any sealant there. With the thermometer probe, all I did is push it right through the styrofoam. I didn't have to drill a hole. Your bin is now ready to go. So this is the bin all set up with the new insulation in the lid. As you can see, I've got it up to temperature. There's steam coming into the hose, and the temperature probe, I do have a shot of it. You can see how hot it gets. So this is before and after. This is the before picture of the bin, and this is after. You can see a little bit of leakage around the top. The before and after shot really indicates how good this insulation is working. I'm going to put a row of rubber foam insulation around the top of the styrofoam lid, and that way the top of the bin lid will force it down and seal it, and I will have no leaks at all. Other than that, it's worked out quite well. I'm very happy with it, and I want to thank everybody for watching and subscribing and liking these videos. Remember, hit the notification bar for my next video that's coming out, and thanks for watching. This is Woody from Woody Shrooms. Much love, everybody.